Hi, as part of HackerRank SQL Solutions, we are going to discuss about the given problem. First, try to understand the problem before going to code. Okay. Query all attributes for every Japanese city in the city table. Okay. The country code for Japan is JPN. JPN. So this is the city table, guys. So here we have a country code field or column. Query all attributes. Query all attributes or query all columns is similar only. So what we need to do, first we need to write select star from city. This way, it will fetch all the attributes from a table. But based on the condition, we need to fetch it. Every Japanese city in the city table. Okay. See the country code where country code equal to JP. So this means Japanese. So it will fetch all the Japanese values. Okay. Just try to run the code. Okay. The sample test cases are passed. Just try to submit the code. Okay. See, congratulations. We have successfully solved your challenge. Yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching this.